Imagine retiring early, financially secure and free to pursue your passions. This dream becomes a tangible reality with smart investing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow, setting you on the path to financial freedom. Don't let procrastination steal your financial future. Start today and watch your wealth grow over time. Every day you wait is a missed opportunity to build a brighter future. Compounding is like a snowball effect for your money. As you invest, your earnings generate more earnings over time. This snowball grows bigger and faster the longer it rolls. Starting early allows you to harness the magic of compounding, turning small contributions into significant wealth over the years. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Time is your greatest ally in building wealth through compounding. The longer you wait, the more you miss out on this powerful growth. Inflation slowly erodes the purchasing power of your money. What you could buy for $100 today will likely cost more in the future. By not investing, your savings lose value over time. Investing helps you outpace inflation, ensuring your money maintains its purchasing power and grows. Start investing now to secure a brighter financial future and enjoy the rewards of your smart decisions. Emotions can sabotage your financial success. Fear might keep you from investing, while greed might lead to impulsive decisions. Don't let emotions control your investments. Instead, develop a sound investment strategy and stick to it, riding out market fluctuations with a level head. Educate yourself continuously and seek advice from trusted financial advisors. This will help you make informed decisions and stay calm during market volatility. Retirement dreams versus reality. Start early. Retirement might seem far off, but it's never too early to start planning. The sooner you begin saving and investing, the less you'll need to contribute each month. Delaying retirement planning means playing catch-up later, potentially requiring larger contributions and impacting your current lifestyle. Starting early allows your investments to grow over time, giving you peace of mind and a more secure future. Don't wait. Begin your journey to financial freedom today. Market opportunities. Don't miss the boat. The stock market offers incredible growth potential over the long term. By waiting to invest, you risk missing out on valuable market opportunities. While past performance doesn't guarantee future returns, historically, the market has trended upwards, rewarding those who stay invested. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow. Don't wait. Start investing today to secure your financial future. Small steps, big rewards. Investing on any budget. Investing can seem daunting, especially if you think you need a large sum of money to get started. But the truth is, you can begin your investment journey with any budget, no matter how small. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Even if you can only set aside a small amount each month, it's a great start. The key is consistency and making it a habit. Over time, these small contributions can grow significantly. Even small, consistent contributions can add up over time thanks to the power of compounding. Compounding is when the earnings on your investments generate their own earnings. This means that your money can grow exponentially over time, even if you start with a modest amount. Start with what you can afford, gradually increasing your investments as your income grows. It's important to create a budget and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. This way, you can allocate more funds towards your investments without feeling a financial strain. Remember, every dollar invested is a step towards financial freedom. By starting early and being consistent, you can build a substantial portfolio over time. Discuss your financial goals with your family and make investing a part of your regular financial planning. This will not only secure your future, but also set a great example for future generations. Additionally, educating yourself about different investment options can help you make informed decisions. There are numerous resources available, from books to online courses, that can guide you through the process. Don't hesitate to seek advice from financial advisors who can tailor investment strategies to your specific needs and goals. Setting clear financial goals and celebrating milestones along the way can keep you motivated. Whether it's saving for a home, a child's education, or retirement, having a clear vision of your objectives can make the journey more rewarding. Remember, the earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow, paving the way for a secure and prosperous future. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification means spreading your investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This strategy reduces risk by ensuring that if one investment performs poorly, others can cushion the impact. A diversified portfolio is essential for long-term financial stability. Remember, diversification is key to managing risk and achieving your financial goals. Seeking expert advice. A guide on your investing journey. Navigating the world of investing can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to do it alone. Financial advisors provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Seeking expert advice can help you make informed investment decisions and build a solid financial future. They can help you understand market trends, diversify your portfolio, and stay on track with your long-term goals. With their expertise, you can navigate the complexities of investing with confidence and peace of mind. Overcoming procrastination, taking the first step today. The hardest step in investing is often the first one. It's the moment when you decide to take control of your financial future, to move from inaction to action. This initial step can be daunting, filled with uncertainty and fear of the unknown. But it's also the most crucial step, the one that sets the foundation for your financial journey. Don't let procrastination hold you back from achieving your financial goals. Procrastination is a common barrier that many face. It can stem from a fear of making mistakes, a lack of knowledge, or simply feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available. However, it's important to recognize that every expert investor started as a beginner. They too face the same fears and uncertainties. The key is to break free from the chains of procrastination and take that first step, no matter how small it may seem. Start small, do your research, and seek advice if needed. Begin by educating yourself about the basics of investing. Read books, attend seminars, and follow reputable financial news sources. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the more confident you'll become. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek advice from financial advisors or mentors who can provide valuable insights and guidance. They can help you navigate the complexities of the financial world and make informed decisions. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is today. This timeless proverb holds true for investing as well. The earlier you start, the more time your investments have to grow and compound. But even if you didn't start 20 years ago, it's never too late to begin. Today is the perfect day to take that first step towards securing your financial future. So, take a deep breath, gather your courage, and start your investment journey today. Your future self will thank you. Setting clear financial goals can also help you stay motivated and focused. Write down your short-term and long-term investment goals and track your progress regularly. Celebrate small victories along the way, as they will keep you encouraged and committed to your financial journey. Remember, every step you take today brings you closer to a more secure and prosperous future. So don't wait any longer. Take that first step now and watch your financial dreams come to life. The future is now. Start investing for a brighter tomorrow. Investing is not just about building wealth, it's about creating a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. When you invest, you are planting the seeds for long-term financial stability and growth. It's about securing your future and achieving your dreams. By starting early, investing consistently, and seeking expert guidance, you can set yourself on a path to financial independence. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a solid financial plan in place. You can take control of your finances and make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Investing allows you to harness the power of compound interest, where your money grows exponentially over time. This means that the earlier you start, the more you stand to gain. And create a brighter tomorrow. Don't wait another day. The best time to start investing is now. Whether you're saving for retirement, a child's education, or a dream home, investing can help you reach your goals faster and more efficiently. Start investing in yourself and your future today. Take the first step by educating yourself about different investment options, setting clear financial goals, and seeking advice from trusted financial advisors. Remember, every small investment you make today can lead to significant rewards in the future. So, embrace the journey of investing and watch your financial dreams come to life. The journey of investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay informed, and stay patient. The rewards of your efforts will be worth it. Start today and let your financial future shine bright.